All right. We should be live. Let me just grab my link and then I will start the stream. We're in a long. Yes, indeed, we are in a long. Okay, I'm going to tweet it out and then we're going to start the stream. All right. There we go. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Tao. Good morning, Weedy. Good morning, Zahid. Good morning, Zayli. Good morning, Unknown. Good morning, PSP. Good morning, Bet Say Less. Yes, took out previous day high. We're in a fun little long here just to see how price wants to move. I don't think it's going to work out anyways. I'm looking for shorts as my buys today. As you can see, I think we got a little bit more to move up just to take that high. And then we have a very clean relative equal lows on NQ. Where is it? Right here. But I think we could go to it right now, to be honest. I'm going to close this trade.
Order filled.
Just because it was like 20 bucks. Thought I could start the stream strong with a little like $40 win, $60 win. It's whatever. All right, so what are we looking for today? Relative equal lows here. We have 930 coming up in 2 minutes. We have buy side liquidity here and relative equal highs up here. Ideally, I want to see these relative equal lows taken and then buy side liquidity. Good morning, Lorianne. Good morning, Kiss. Good morning, Pirater. My name is Peter, like Peter Parker. I come from Poland. Hey, nice. I'm from Poland. Okay, so you can see we displaced lower prior. Now we have 9:45 news. But I think we're going to draw to these relative equal lows down here. Good morning, Huron. My phone is broken. It randomly just shut off yesterday and it won't turn on. So I'm going to the Apple store later today. Good morning, Sergio. Wow, that's fast. Price has been really fast recently. What broker do you recommend? I trade TradingView. I mean, not TradingView, Top Step. I use Top Step. You can look at that candle. Really clean. So we're going to go take these relative equal lows. I think we're going to reverse out from higher. I could do a little turtle soup here. Low key. I'm not going to do that. So you're reacting off this hourly for value gap, so I think we're pretty bearish actually today. With that reaction, I think we're going to continue down lower. You can see I marked out this fair value gap. I was too late to use it, but it wicks into it and then trades away from it right away at 9:30. Now we're just ripping lower. Nvidia pisses me off. I hate holding this market. Positive earnings, down. Positive earnings, down. Positive earnings, up. But the past two earnings have been negative. And it's just disgustingly slow. Whoa. Oh, never mind. So, yeah, we display slower below some relative equal lows. I'm going to wait for a 5-minute setup here. Good morning, Robert. 1,188 subscribers. Thank you, guys. Almost at 1,200. Just crazy. I'm a little mad because I can't go on my phone. It's broken. So last night and all this morning, I couldn't go on my phone at all. So if there's any socials, any DMs, I can't check them. Yeah, still holding a video, but looks like they have to sustainably beat earnings every time to upside movement. Yeah, it's. I hate holding in video, bro. But I think it's just. It doesn't look good either. I'm still gonna hold it long term. Good morning, Jason. Don't lose yourself over these death candles, fellas. Don't try to trade into this. It's most likely either going to just tap it or it's going to just up here and trade all the way above it. That's why I said I'm waiting for a higher time frame fair value gap. At 30 Judas? I don't think so. There's a possibility though. Right, we have the opening range gap, Asian range. Even though my indicator's not loading. Yes, SMT indeed. There's a possibility. Whoa. Yeah, Asian range, we move lower, we wick lower, take out relative equal highs. There's a possibility we can reverse up to buy side here. But I'm going to wait for more confirmation there. Still way too early to call any kind of reversal. By the way, I don't know what to do with this, guys, but I found a MacBook in a dumpster yesterday. Right? Hold on, I'll show you. I don't know what to do with it. I know this is so random, but like, bear with me. Found a MacBook in a dumpster, and it's perfectly fine. But it just I can't open it because it's Apple ID locked. So I just have a MacBook. Probably stolen. Yeah. Check yes, bro. That's pretty confident in bullishness. It's decoupled right now, so it's a little bit of low probability. Oh. Why are you looking in dumpsters? I was throwing out my trash from McDonald's, and I saw a fucking MacBook. What do you think? I'm one of those dumpster divers, bro? I'm not. Why does everyone think I'm a dumpster diver, bro? People can't just throw out their garbage and then see what's in the dumpster? Yeah, but I reach out to Apple, let them know, and it's probably just gonna go to the garbage. I might do a fake Christmas present prank. Dumpster payout. I just got a 10-hour win on dumpster diving, bro. Anyways, price is slowing down. It filled out this new week opening gap again. It took out these relative equal lows, so I'm waiting for a displacement to the upside for a long. In Romania, we know how to get around any passcode. We look hacking everything, even our own cars. Really? Well, someone's got to hack this MacBook for me. Maybe I got to go to Romania for it. 1,189 subscribers. Thank you, fellas. I wonder if you can install Linux. You can't even get into the homepage or whatever. It's just like it's fully locked. You can turn it on, but then you just can't really do anything. So we are ripping lower. It looks like it still wants to move bearishly with that reaction. Clean little 930 wick though. Done for the day. Nice. Testing 1 hour busy. Like, yeah, why would someone steal a MacBook and then just throw it out? Why not? Like, that guy's must have been a low life, bro. Just give it back. 10 a.m. news. 10 a.m. Isn't it 9:45 news? I swear it's 9:45 news. Oh no, it's 10 a.m. You're right. We also have 9:45 Chicago PMI. That's really nothing. It's orange folder. PCE price index. It's not really gonna do anything. So, not too worried about it. See you on Friday. I'm not streaming Friday, my man. I'm out on vacation. S&T is putting you off shorts. Yeah. Because ideally I want to look for short, but because of this SMT, I'm not really too kind of it. Imagine you have a ton of Bitcoin on that hard drive. Dude. So, okay, I have a story. My grandpa, he passed away last year, and he was a big crypto guy. And in 2022 to 2021, he bought like $30,000 of like Bitcoin and Dogecoin and XRP, and he died. And we don't have his Bitcoin and his crypto phases or whatever, and we have all his devices, so we can't get into his cryptos account. This shit's skyrocketing. It's probably like so much money now, and we can't access it, so it's just there. Which is a shame. Anyways, you can see we're moving up higher post 9:30. Well, at least trying to. We ripped lower, right? I think this is a Judas swing. It's all good on none. And then you can see your price is turning rough here. That's millions for sure. I don't know if it's millions. But it's a lot of money. I can tell you that. He has a seed phrase somewhere. He lives in Saskatchewan. I'm not going down there. He lived in Saskatchewan? No, thank you. So if this isn't our draw liquidity, where are we reaching for lower prices, right? We have this Monday low of the week that we can go to. Because this 1 hour reaction looks like it wants to drive price way lower, to be honest. But with this price action, it looks like price wants to reverse. It's just not doing it. Yes, it's so uncorrelated. Yeah. It's disgusting. Price action has been nasty. I've been risking like close to nothing this past week. Not going to request a payout anytime soon because one, I'm not hitting those winning day goals because I'm only making like 75 to $100 a day. And two, I don't want to. I don't want to request like a $200 payout. There's no point. My friend put 1K into Bitcoin and it's currently 10K. Wow. It's only been a month. I don't know if that's how it works. Is Bitcoin up that much? Is Bitcoin up that much that he put 1K and it's into 10K? I'm on the 1 minute. This you saying a couple months ago. Leverage. Yeah, I was about to say. It's like it's at 60K before the election, not like 16K or something. Even still, dude. It's got to get in way lower, like 10K. Yeah. Leverage, leverage, leverage. All right, speaking of leverage, we're starting to revert up higher. Guys, I know there's been SMT with ES this whole day because of how decoupled we are. But thank you. Kiss. Okay. My computer's slow. I don't know why it's been really slow recently. It's hourly so ugly. Hourly's clean, dude. What are you talking about? Trade into the Sibi and it ripped lower. That's a really clean hourly. That's a really clean price action. Turn back into it and then trade off. Still no entry yet. Waiting for displacement above some highs. Oh yeah, yeah. The hourly time frame these past few days have been honestly not just the hourly, but like all time frames these past few days have been disgusting. It's because it's Thanksgiving week. Honestly, has been disgusting. Any Thanksgiving plans? I'm off to vacation for Thanksgiving. Me, my mom, and my girl. But it's not really Thanksgiving here, guys. Thanksgiving was months ago. Canadian Thanksgiving. Okay, we're getting our displacement now. First presented for value gap. By the chopped sellers. Going back up for high day. There's that, but then we can go up for Asian range if we're going to reverse up higher and go for buy side liquidity. So we actually canceled out the displacement, so there's no trade entry yet. Just going to keep that there. If I jump out time frames, you can see we're trading into a 5-minute SIBI. So I need a displacement to the upside for a trade here. Because if I don't get that, then we're probably going to revert lower. As you can see, that's what we're doing. Any new video ideas, guys? Should I make any new video ideas? Other than that, we're just patiently waiting for a displacement at any time now so we can get our entry. Hum says nah. Psychology videos. What about philosophy? Trading, studying 2022 model and tests and stuff. Guys heard it first. Hobbs says I should retire, so I'm retiring. You're short? Nice, Aladdin. Again, so you can see that we took relative equal lows here, and we're slowing down. Price action is becoming rough, so all we need is displacement above the rough of price action and a fair value gap to fill into it. Process of entries, backtesting videos. I could do that. I don't really backtest though. I already know. I already done enough backtesting for this model. All right, displacement above this high. That's all we need. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What about the new LTV goal is just created? If it just created it, it's probably engineered liquidity for later price action. I'm going up for these highs, man. I'll take partials. What is that? 16. So let me pull out the calculator. It canceled out the displacement again. It's annoying. When is the last time I've been able to get a clean reversal entry? Like a clean market structure shift for value gap at the low or the high? It's been a while. It's been a while since we've had that. The entries have just been continuation entries. I guess I'm gonna wait for the news. I'm gonna give it one more shot at the 950 macro to see if we displace above a high, because this news doesn't really do anything, guys. But let's see if 950 can displace us above a short-term high, and we can catch a fair value gap. If not, then I'll just wait for post 10 a.m. This is the life of trading. There's one good setup right at 9:30, and then the rest of the day is chop. Please explain how you use macros. Just the 950 to 1010 macro is all I use, and it's in my most recent YouTube video. By the way, guys, I have an Instagram as well as a TikTok. Here's my Instagram if you guys want to see it. Benjamin_ICT. It's getting okay amount of views, 2,000, 1,400, but I gotta start posting on it more. We're almost at 300 followers. Let's try to get to 1,000. But if you guys like Instagram, make sure to follow me there, because I'm gonna start posting there as well. I might do some Instagram lives as well. Once I get to like 1,000 followers, I'll do like Instagram lives. I need to take this outside before she goes up and zooms, bro. Possibly. Let's see what 950 to 1010 brings us. Favorite ICT video or most beneficial? There isn't a favorite ICT video or beneficial. All of them. There isn't like a video where he says something so specific that it changes your trading career. You just gotta watch them all. My favorite playlist is core content though. Wow, this volume is so low. I know. It's like nothing. 950 macro is still not doing anything. It's very, very boring price action, but we're going to stick through it and figure it out what's going on. We could, I think, possibly rip lower at 10 a.m. because of this SIBI. I'm not going to get into it. Low probability. Going to sit on my hands here and not blow my capital. News at 10. News in 10. Yeah, I know. 10 a.m. news. It's nothing crazy though, guys. The news is only core PCE price index. Just gonna sit on my hands right now. unlog off the 944 order block. 0.25% risk. This one? That's not an order block because they shade. It's just a down close candle. It doesn't take a form of liquidity. Yeah, we're ripping lower off of that 5-minute civvy. Oh, there's nothing catching my eye right now. To be honest. You just now figured. It's all good, bro. It's low risk, 0.25. My low risk is like 0.075. Like my low risk is low, especially with these markets right now. I am staying low. By the way, if you are new and you like what you're watching, I stream almost every single day. I'm not streaming Thursday and Friday this week, but subscribe and turn notifications on so you know when I'm live. I stream almost basically every single day at 9:25 a.m. Eastern time. I've accumulated over $68,000, or actually no, that's a lie. I've accumulated over $37,000 in payouts on live stream, and then another $31,000 in payouts off of live stream, but that's irrelevant. So I've also passed 150K accounts on live stream. So if you do like what you're seeing, make sure to subscribe. Help me get to 1,200 subscribers. Also, my Discord is in the bento link in the description. It's a free Discord. I do everything for free. I don't charge for anything. I'm not no scammer. I produce content and insight and my opinion on the markets for free. I don't think anyone should charge for that. I'm not qualified enough to have a course. Maybe 5 years down the line when I've accumulated over $10 million in trading, I'll make a course. But I'm not qualified whatsoever to make a course. What's up, Gabby? Yeah, so we're ripping lower. You can see we took the relative equal lows now. This could be our last act as bearish price action. And then we revert up higher. How are you doing today? I'm doing pretty good. What about you? Again, I still think we're going to look for some longs here. I'm just waiting for the right moment. I'm doing okay. My phone's broken. It's not turning on. It's been charged for a while. It just keeps on flashing the Apple logo. So I'm going to the Apple store today. I'm going to get a new phone. What phone should I get? I'm not going to get that new iPhone 17, bro. I'm not getting that shit. It's so ugly. Like the two cameras directly that way, and the new camera slide bar and everything. I'm not getting the iPhone 17. I might get the 16. I want to get like a forest green color. That's my favorite color. The iPhone 18, that's not even out yet. Get the one you fold. Oh, so you can chart. The fold? The Apple has a fold phone? A flip phone, bro? I think we're drawn to sell side even more here. 17 not out yet? 17's out. It's out in Canada at least. I was at the Apple store the other day. Yeah, the 17's out. It has two cameras. One at the top, one at the bottom. And it's a very thin cameras. Oh, no, Apple, Samsung. I will never have a Samsung. I'm sorry. Listen, Samsung is a great phone company. If not better than Apple for the perks that it has. But it's just, no thank you. It's not, not enough people have it. There's no FaceTime. There's no, you can't, like, it's just, you got to use WhatsApp. I can't. Oh, that's the 16? Yeah, it's stuck in a boot loop, Helms. Yeah, ICT stopped doing the 2024 free mentorship on YouTube, bro. I have no idea. That's the 16? Really? I thought that was 17. Alright, then I'll get the 15. I'm not getting no 16, bro. Unless I'll get like the 16 Pro with the 3 cameras. But even still. Price action is relatively low because slow. That makes me want to kind of say that we're going to revert up higher. I'm just being patient here and waiting for something to present itself. If nothing presents itself, then I don't know. I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to force anything today. Get the 16 Pro, 15 overheats way too quickly. Really? I'm at the point, guys, where I don't really need to watch his mentorships anymore. I've learned. I'm gonna just need to learn by myself now. Yeah, I don't really want a blue phone though, Zahid. Press and hold the power button. I did. I pressed the top volume button and the lower one, and then held the power button. I plugged it in. I've done that for 4 hours last night, and it's still locked on the Apple thing. It actually unlocked my phone. I went onto it, and then it crashed, and then did it again for the next 2 hours. I've tried everything, Hams. Try smashing it. That's a good idea. Get rid of my warranty 3 hours before I go to Apple to get a new phone. That's smart. Good one. Going in live, trading time in front of all of us. Doesn't he do that all the time? He calls where the markets goes. Live stream. Lock in. I'm gonna wait for a displacement weedy. There's really nothing. Oh yes, get the gas, burn it down. Light the phone on fire right before I go get it replaced. What about the 1 hour for value gap? I'm talking about this. They're here. Well, I think that delivered price below these lows. Price traded into this for value gap here. As you can see. That little small one that I need to use coordinates to drag out into current price action. Look at that reaction there, fellas. Let's look at the 15-minute. See 15-minute inversion. Also, previous Asian range. Look at that reaction there. Wow. Wow. It's going to be a good one. We got some fellow Apple haters here. Nice. You're so genuine. Thank you. PC in 2 minutes. Exactly. Hopefully that can give us the displacement we've been waiting for years. What Mike's feels like. I've diligently watched all of ICT's content and still learn from 2024 mentorship. Busted my price action confidence. He's always dropping gems. Yeah, he is honestly always dropping gems. I'll watch a video every now and then, but sometimes I went through a phase where I started watching ICT again, and it kind of messed up my trading because it made me want to try new things when I had a working model already, and it made me go into drawdown for a little bit. So, what's the orange box reacting off of it? Right here? That's the 1 hour BISC. 10 a.m. news in 30 minutes. Ooh, look at that little fair value gap there. Price is going to rip up higher at 10 a.m. watch. I'm not trading 30 seconds till 10 a.m., but I can still call it out. Watch this. That's driving price higher. Is it short trading hour today? No, I think that's Friday. Or not. It's going to just revert lower. It's tapping it again, though. Displacement above this high in a fair value gap, and I'll take a long. One subscriber away from 1,190. Again, I'm waiting for a displacement above any sort of high for a trade here, so we can get an entry anytime, any second now. 1,190. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. It's crazy how much we've grown, bro. I remember, like 2 weeks ago, I was stressing over if I could hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and we're at 1,190, almost 200 above. That's brutal. You can see that 9:30, I was too slow. I was talking to you guys. I wasn't actually really focused here, but 9:30 wicks into the SIBI that I marked out, and then it drove down lower. It hung around the low, the new week opening gap, and then moved lower, traded into a 1 hour BISC here. I want to see if price respects it and then bounces up and takes this high. Remember 300 subs wasn't too long ago. Yeah, thank you, bro. You deserve more subs. Let's go 2K subs so then till the new year. Hopefully, bro. Listen, I have hope now. With the way we've grown recently, I'm on track to hitting 2K before the end of the year. He said on X Space a couple days ago about a new mentorship. It looks like we want to continue down lower here, guys. I'm not too kind of trying to catch a short after we took those relative equal lows, so I'm just gonna wait for a long for any bullish price action to present itself. Just gonna sit on my hands and be disciplined here. You can see how price consolidated in that 1 hour SIBI fairly well. It left it, traded back into it, traded away from it at just before 9:30, and then 9:30 wicks into a SIBI and then drives lower. We're at a 15-minute fair value gap. I think this is all price action that's just going to get ripped out. And we're drawing to the low of the week. We had a Tuesday high of the week. Unless that's Monday. Or Monday high of the week. Which doesn't make... Monday, wow. That's so ugly. Monday high of the week. But I think we could still get a possible long because we have this opening range gap coupled with this new week opening gap that we could go fill out, as well as these relative equal Asian highs. So longs do look like they want to present itself. I'm still patiently waiting for that displacement above a high to the upside, which we could get it here. 1,191 subscribers. Thank you guys. Three minutes after 10 a.m. Patience is a virtue, Ben. Patience is the key in life, guys. Patience is the key in life, not just in trading, but in anything and everything. 3-driver pattern on the 1 minute might be bullish. ICT calls that the 3 little Indians. I don't know why this guy is not canceled. But like he says a low, and a lower low, and then we displace up higher. That's 3 little Indians, he calls it. He doesn't talk about that anymore, but that's one of his old concepts if you guys watched ICT for a while. I know, it's a shit. So funny, bro. ICT is so funny. This guy's such a G, bro. The ICT reel you made about him saying dicks cracked me up. Oh my gosh, I gotta play that, bro. Guy, I gotta show the stream that if you guys haven't already seen it. But like, I'm waiting for a displacement anyways. Wait, let's see if we get one in this candle. But you can see, I did like, yo bro, I have an idea on how to make money. I was like, for real, what is it? Let me hear it.
There's 2 dicks out there running around saying they can beat my ass in trading.
Bro.
Motherfucker!
I love it when ICT rants and his mic cuts off. 1 minute bearish fair value gap. I don't think that's gonna hold unless this body closes below it. Feel me. I do remember that PP. You're ready for this reversal. Hopefully, Weedy, but it looks like it wants to respect this 1 minute bearish SIBI. You also have this 5 minute SIBI that I could trade into. But again, look at the reaction on the 5 minute on this 1 hour fair value gap. Still respecting it relatively well. So I think one little displacement will catch us something. His vids are 90% rants. Yeah, but those rants have so much insight, bro. And it's funny to watch or listen to. I remember like in 2022, I commented on his YouTube video. I was like, hey, ICT, I love the way you teach, or I love what you teach, but is there a possibility you can stop fucking talking too much? And he replied to my comment and he says, soon you'll understand why I talk so much and how much it's going to help. And then now I do understand that. Listen to him ranting on a good JBL at max volume was one of the best. Bro, I remember I was driving to um it was when Trump got shot. Or no. That was a long time ago. Actually, that wasn't too long ago. I was driving to downtown Toronto years ago. And I remember the first ICT Twitter space I listened to is him saying, "I'm gonna open up a can of whoop ass on your ass" on Vinny. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've laughed louder in my life. It was so funny. It does test my patience. Yo, he's actually a genius at teaching. Like, I bet you he does that purposely too, to make sure people practice their patience and then they get better trading. But well, I remember that Twitter space. He's gonna open a can of whoop ass on your ass. That's what he says on at Vinny. If only real ones know, remember that. Dude, the rants are fire low. I don't want people get all butt hurt. I know, bro. I love the rants. Sometimes they do. Sometimes spend 30 minutes ranting about how you could create an order block or some shit. Yeah, it's funny. Okay, we're still waiting for a displacement to the upside, guys. Oh, I need food. I need water. I don't feel that good. Ugh. I hate fasting in the morning. So, Ben, I'm really new to trading. Do you think I should just get the essential plan, or should I get the essential with CME package? Listen, if you can't afford, or if you're pushing it to get the CME, then just get the essential plan. But I recommend getting CME data. It really helps. But I didn't start with it. I started with US 100 when I first started trading, and I turned out pretty well. So whatever works with you. The CME package is only like $10 extra. The videos be so boring, then he starts going crazy after a while. Yeah. Are you open for longs? Yep, that's what I'm waiting for. Nine subscribers away from 1,200 subscribers. So close. I'm just patiently waiting here. Don't the firms already provide real-time data? Yeah, you can just trade on Top Step X, Gabby, and you won't need real-time data, but then you can't trade on TradingView. How about some full port shorting NQ and long YM right now? Been there, done that. Not doing it again. Super ugly price action right now, fellas. We might get another day like yesterday. I know, eh? Top Step back is so inaccurate at times. Yeah, I get slipped a lot. I'm not gonna lie. 8 subscribers away from 1,200, bro. Thank you, guys. I think what Price been doing recently is it has one good move at 9:30, and then the rest of the day is just chip chop. So I'm gonna preserve my capital for now. Until we get a long presented long. I was the 500th subscriber like 2 weeks ago. What happened with your channel, Patrico? ICT retweeted my post. That's what happened. He retweeted my post of me talking about how I just got a biggest payout of my life, and I got a lot of subscribers there. But yeah, we're growing, fellas. Another subscriber, thank you. What's up, Zahid? Pre-market has been better recently than post 9:30. I know. It really has. You should make more videos on you talking about your life and your journey. Yeah, I could do that. I also thinking about doing like a gym video. But again, I want to stick to... I don't really want to do that as much, because I want to stick to one genre of my YouTube account, and that'll be trading and psychology and finance. If I want to make a health account, I'll make a health YouTube account later down the line when I get bigger. I'm not big enough yet to start making gym content. Waiting for a long setup. Yep. 7 subscribers away, fellas. Can we hit it this stream? Maybe. By the way, I finally got enough watch hours to apply to make money on YouTube. So it's going to take about a week for it to work, a week and a half. And I can finally apply to make money on YouTube, which is cool. What's my workout split? Chest and back, arms and shoulders, and then legs. Daily trade recaps will be good. Will be good too. Yeah, I need to start doing those. Congrats, thank you. Oh, we lost a subscriber. Still 8 away. Want previous day low? Didn't we already take that? Oh, no, we didn't. Yeah, I think it's going for previous day low as well. With this reaction on price action. I'm sub for life. Thank you, Tanner. JK, your message didn't even go through, Tanner. I can't see it. I don't know why, but I haven't been able to see some messages. Was it you who were unsubscribed, Tanner? So there's light after dark. Yeah, 100% Zahid. If you've been with me for a while before I started streaming on YouTube. Okay, now you guys are just fucking with me, bro. Yo, now you guys are just messing with me. Get that number back up. Yo. If you guys been with me since before I was streaming, you'd see my whole journey. That I haven't always been this good trader. And it's only been most recently that I've started becoming a better trader. It's at OTU right now. But I think you're too concerned about subscriptions and money from YouTube. You're not concentrating on trading anymore. Something to think about and reflect. Diego, I think I'm very focused on trading. Oh my gosh. Okay, yo, stop messing with me, fellas. I'm pretty focused on trading, my man. I literally just got a $32,000 payout last week. And on top of that, this week is really ugly. So I'm just talking because I'm waiting for a displacement. All right, you guys are not funny, bro. Yo. The ISO speed method. You guys are not funny. Put that shit up right now. Something I noticed this past few days. Well, Diego, the only reason why it's been happening the past few days is because look at price action the past few days. All right, joke's over, guys. Get me back up to 1,200. I'm not ISO speed. Shorten the sub count, bro. The thing is, all you guys are doing this, but then one or two of you are going to forget to resubscribe. And I'm going to lose subscribers. Yeah, and I think we're drawing to previous day low here. I think I could take this short. This is a clean displacement below low. Or previous day low. Right down there. Put it up to that high. 24. I need to open my calculator on my computer because... But it doesn't look like it wants to fill it. It looks like it wants to leave it as a breakaway gap, to be honest. There hasn't been a fair value gap fill since about here. But that isn't my type of fair value gap fill, where body's above it. I like the wicks. Do you trade evals? How do you trade evals? No, I don't use heavy risk. I treat it like it's XFA discipline. And Gabby, you can just load it up on TradingView. You can use TradingView for free. Previous day low has already been taken. No, it hasn't. It's right there. can also get this one. I measure it to the high of this for value gap in case it wants to look into it. Previous day lows be Tuesday's low. Guys, Tuesday's low is right here. Why are people tripping? What's going on? Tuesday's low is right there. That's previous day low. The previous day of this current candle right here. Oh shit. Almost missed. Okay, I'm gonna get a fill up here. Come on, reach up there. Reach up there, fella. I'm going to trade it if it just gets under it too as well. Okay, I'm going to enter into trade here. It's because of the way it's closing. It's respecting the first presented fair value gap. See, it's respecting this fair value gap with the body, so this next candle can rip lower. Could also go up there. That's why my stop respects it. But look how it's a little bit slower paced. Right? It's hanging around this first Sibby instead of going here. It could leave this one open. Shorting in a discount. This is pure gambling, says Mustafa. Mustafa, I don't think just because you short in a discount or long in a premium is gambling. And if it is gambling made me $37,000 or $68,000 in payouts in 6 months. So I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing. And if it's a loss, guess what? It's $50 on 5 150K accounts. So thanks for your insight, but I don't need it. Fellas, unprofitable traders don't know why profitable traders take setup sometimes, and when they see it, they hate. That's just how it is. Gambling isn't just because you take a little bit of a sloppier entry. Gambling is chasing your losses. As long as you manage the trades that you take, it's not gambling. If you know what you're doing, it's not gambling. Exactly. You risk $50 on your 10K. Well, with this price action, you should be risking like $10, bro. If I win this trade, I'll make like $130. But it's $130 extra dollars that add up over time. Risk management, exactly. Yeah, Bob. Look, we have this 5-minute Sibby as well. I think we are going to reach up to this one, though. I'm going to add a little bit extra positions, put it into a $100 short. Depends on how price reacts. Hey, Ben, for a while, I was only comfortable trading reversals, and now I trade continuations. Much better. Took a short up the range. Hey, listen, continuation setups are so underrated. I'm glad you start doing them now. I just can't make it above break even. Yeah, yesterday 3 break even trades. This week is just slop. It's pretty expected though. Okay, we're in that 5-minute Sibby. Probably shouldn't go any above a higher this than that 1-minute consequent encroachment. It should honestly trade down from here. Yeah, there it is. We should get a displacement soon as well. We're in that inversion. We should rip right past it instead of respecting it. I don't want to see price respect this inversion. I don't trade from TradingView, Gabby, but you have to connect your firm to TradingView. Like, look, if you... Oh, that's paper trading. Hold on. If you go to click trade button down here, or no, how do I connect? Oh, yeah. Log out of paper trading. You can connect your broker. Tops Up X isn't on here, so I can't trade on TradingView. But that's how people trade on TradingView. Okay, good reaction so far. You can see that 5-minute SIBI's driving price lower. I want to see this low get taken. But I'm gambling, guys. I'm a gambler. I'm gambling this trade, fellas. I know where it's going and I know what it's doing, but I'm gambling. I'm gambling. I'm gambling. The drawn liquidity is the previous day low, but I'm gambling. I love it. We make equal highs and dump. Where are you talking about these? Well, look at what these equal highs are doing, respecting a bearish SIBI and an inversion. What's your advice to trade continuation? Might be confident with a bearish for veg up inside a discount area. It's narrative. That's all it is. Like, if we're continuing down this like this and we're not forming a higher high, what does that mean? We're drawing to previous day low. These relative equal lows was not our drawn liquidity. Sorry, up here. So if it's continuing down and it's not our drawn liquidity, we got to look, okay, what's our next drawn liquidity? Previous day low. All right. Where's the next presented opportunity to get into short? There it is. If you want to catch clean, high probability, low resistance, or continuation trades, study IOFED from ICT, Institutional Order Flow Entry Drill. And how to overcome over trading and revenge trading by just understanding that there's always going to be another setup than another day. There's always going to be another setup. There's always going to be another opportunity to catch a good trade. So understand that. You can see we traded in this 3-minute SIBI as well, and now we're trading away from it. I don't like this reaction, though. We could trade into this fair value gap again and then move lower. It just comes with time, bro. It comes with getting smacked in the face by the market so many times that you're so numb to the pain that you don't care anymore. IFED is so good during low resistance liquidity run. Exactly, yo. Trading is about identifying profiles. Right? You need to identify profiles first and then use the model accordingly to that profile. When you're in a low resistance liquidity run and you miss the reversal, what do you go for? Institutional order flow entry drill. When you're in a power of 3 profile and you're in the manipulation phase and 930 drive manipulates you even more and then you get a market structure shift fair value gap, what are you doing? Right? You look for a market structure shift fair value gap or a unicorn or whatever inversion. A break of structure, then a fair value gap. You don't need a break of structure, then a fair value gap on IOFED, but you need a break of structure and a fair value gap on a power of 3 reversal model. IOFED, taking that trade, it already broke structure time ago. You're in a low resistance liquidity run profile, so all you're looking for is a little bit of manipulation up into internal range liquidity, which is a SIBI or a BISI, depending on if you're bullish or bearish. You take that, and then you drive below or above the drawn liquidity that you marked out before. A couple things that give you confirmation on the trade and if you should risk more or less is if it's in discount premium. So that guy, Mustafa, the hater, wasn't wrong about discount and premium, but he was wrong about saying it's gambling because what did I do because it's in a discount is I cut risk. But Ben, remember, you're a gambler. It doesn't matter what you say. Oh, yeah, true. I'm a scammer. I do everything for free. I'm a scammer. I stream for free, run a free Discord, run a Twitter for free, run an Instagram and TikTok for free, but I'm a scammer. Yeah, that's what I did, Gabby. But you can see price is still trying to stay relatively low. It trades back into that original SIBI, right? Cut through candles, and you can see the wick respected consequent encroachment, and then this wick traded lower, and now we're trading below this low again. So I'm pretty confident in this trade. We could draw to these lows as well, but we already did enough range. I'm just going to be happy with this. Take the profits and run. It's already a low probability. And 1.7 RR. Just under 2 RR. Finish the day positive with a winning day. Be happy. But a lock in and binge ICT core content. Exactly. Core content is amazing. Stop feeding into the hate. I love it though, Weedy. I like eating into the hate. Hey, Benjamin, where's your take profit at? Previous day low, Franklin. Right there. I can't believe market made equal high and didn't tap into the 1 minute. It happens usually, guys. You guys got to understand narrative, right? If the draw on liquidity is stronger, then those little equal highs that it forms on the way to draw on liquidity don't matter. It's engineered for later price action. But I caught the top of the move, booked 3R, shared chart in Discord. Let's check it out. We're going to our draw on liquidity though. Let's see, it stonks. Nice. Clean trade, my man. Clean. Took it at the relative equal lows. Nice. We're almost at 500 members, by the way. All right, we're drawing to our take profit here. But Ben, I'm a gambler. Clean 1 hour, 4 hour bear flag break? What? Oh, you're on NAS 100? Yeah, NAS 100 is a completely different Weedy. But Ben, you're shorting in a discount. You're gambling. Don't watch this guy. Even though he's made $37,000 on live stream in the past month or 2 months. Don't watch him. He's a gambler. He's a scammer. He does everything for free. He's a fraud. Dragging my break stop loss to break even here. Free trade. Hits break even. I'm done for the day on break even. If it's not, then it's like $200. Perfect slap to those idiots who call ICT trader gamblers. Exactly. Forgive them, for they do not know what they do. Exactly. Yeah, you tell them, gambler. Do you set your TP just before the liquidity? I've seen many times. 1 point then reverses. Not really. If I see price action slow down, then I'll just close it. Low casually making a year's worth of casually making a year's worth of full-time minimum wage pay at 18 years old too. So those people calling me gamblers can piss off. Previous day low on NQ on lower time frames are not the same as the daily. Why is that? That's US 100 Weedy. Am I pronouncing your name Weedy correctly? Yeah, right. Nvidia's melting, Tesla's melting, Apple's about to get to break even. Everything, the markets are melting, fellas. Bitcoin's up 2% though. Dogecoin up. I re-entered, by the way, guys. I re-entered down here at 37 cents. So it's doing pretty decent now. I did lose a little bit, so I need it to go back to like 40 to make my, or not 40, I'm on the 1 minute chart, sorry. Like 43 to make my money back. So we are in a little bit of drawdown on Dogecoin, but we're in it to win it, fellas. Previous day lows are getting approached now. Price action slows down and chops before take profit. It's probably going to absolutely smash previous day low and give you a better fill. Exactly. But I'm talking about if it slows down and starts moving up higher, disrespecting bearish PD arrays. Actually, no, sorry, not slows down. If it speeds up, I inverted it, and disrespects bearish PD arrays, then it's gonna hit my stop and profit. Bro has so much money. He's on side quest. I don't have that much money, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Listen, I pay rent. I have to pay for bills and everything else. I also remember 50% of my money goes to Justin Trudeau. Justin Trudeau. So I don't really make that much money because 50% goes to Justin Trudeau. And then 40% of that 50% that I get to put in my pocket goes back into the markets, so I can't touch it. And then 10% goes to utilities, rent, bills, whatever. I don't live by myself. I give my mom rent. Who's Justin? The Prime Minister of Canada. It's more like 40-something% E-man, but it's still really bad. Plan to move out because of tax? Yes. My dad's moving to Tennessee soon, I think. So I'm not going to move with him, but I'm going to have a U.S. passport. Almost like 40%, near 50%. Zahid. Justin Trudeau is the U.S. Prime Minister. I mean, not the U.S., the Canadian Prime Minister. Yeah, because he keeps rigging these damn elections, bro. It's been 9 years of him in office. 9 years. I don't know why. Nobody wants him there. Go to NQ, 5-minute, and look at Tuesday's low. Tuesday's... Oh. You're right. You're right. It says previous day low and the lower time frame's down there, but it's actually here. That's so cool, Weedy. Come to Dubai, no taxes at all. Yeah, but you know how hard it is to get a visa in Dubai, bro? You gotta have a lot of money. Elon doesn't like him. Nobody does. He's ruined Canada, yes. You trade stocks as well? I swing trade stocks sometimes. I'm gonna take a partial here.
Order filled.
All right. Happy with what I got. Took a partial. Stopped at break even. Patiently waiting for price to go deliver below previous day low. It's trading into that up close candle. What do you plan? Where do you plan to move out to? For my first part of my years, I'm just gonna live in Toronto in a condo. But I want to live in Italy. How many contracts did I get in? I only got like 5 contracts in. I risked like $100 on this trade. So bad. What broker will you use when done with prop firms? Interactive brokers. Cooking, bro. Thank you, Elijah. How's it going, bro? How long it took you to become profitable? I've been trading for 4 years. Italy, bro, you'll be able to trade both London and New York session. Exactly. And it's in Italy. I can eat pasta. I'm going to get so fat, bro. Actually, no, I lied because they make their pasta with a specific wheat that doesn't get you too fat. I heard. Ben's moving to USA vlog. Moving to Hollywood to start. Guys, I'm moving to LA to start vlogging. How many subscribers are we at? We're 6 subscribers away from 1,200. Let's bang that out, guys. Everybody watching, subscribe right now. Help me out real quick. Let's get to 1,200, and then you can unsubscribe later. I'm kidding. Don't do that. But we're so close. 6 subscribers. Yeah, our wheat is illegal in Europe. Yeah, I heard wheat in Italy is like really good for you. I'd love to be able to trade London. I just think it's not worth it just for now because it's like way too early for me. But yeah. Okay, Andrew, let's not do that. All right, we're smashing previous day low here. Almost. Almost at take profit, fellas. And I think I might get slipped on Top Step X. Because it looks like my take profit is a little bit higher. Or is it just because I'm on the 1 minute?
Order filled.
There we go. Take profit hit. Nice little short. Right? I'm happy with this. Securing this for a little bit of a positive day today. But I'm a gambler. Place buy limit orders at 31 cents and 23 for Doge to lower your cost basis. Why should you listen to me? I've been trading crypto since 2016. I've made millions. Buy limit orders at 0.31 and 23 for Doge to lower your cost basis. So like if it goes down, but is Doge gonna go down to 0.23? That's the thing. Nice trade, thank you, Gabby. Malik says, bro, you're gambling. I know. Nice gamble. Ready for longs from here? I don't know. I think we're gonna continue down lower for the day. I don't know if we're gonna reverse. Happy with my little trade. Looks like I could have left a runner, but it's whatever. Looks like it wants to rip for lower prices. I wonder what it's going for. You know what? I think it's going to rip lower, actually. Look at this. It's trading here. I think it's going to go down here. Where's the Mustafa guy now? He's not in the stream. I told you. I literally tweeted about it, guys. They hate on you. You prove them wrong, and they go quiet. That's just how they work. That's just how it works, bro. That's just how they hate. How the boat flows, guys. I'm pretty sure he was in a long too. He was probably in a long. Other than that, fellas, I think that's pretty much it. I might be done for the week. I'm gonna finish the week up positive just by a little bit. Small week this week. I think I'm up like $200 this week, which is a really good job. I'm surprised. I'm actually proud of myself for how disciplined I was this week, because the old me would have blown accounts, lost his live account, and done all that. But this week I'm up only $200, and I'm not negative. I'm not negative. How haters operate. Need to create a starter's guide on figuring out a hater. Benjamin, this in last month been very tough. Even though I have my model, I have been just facing losses in the live markets. Hey, bro, don't abandon your model. If the trading conditions has changed, just trust the process, bro. Don't abandon the model. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm going on vacation, boy. So I'll be back on Monday or Tuesday. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys on Monday or Tuesday. I'll let you know in the Discord or on Twitter. Take it easy, fellas. Thank you for watching. Let's get to 1,200 before I go to sleep. Safe travels. Happy holidays. Happy Thanksgiving, fellas. You're funny, Zahid. All right, take it easy.